So for a long time I've been looking for a plugin that can do this one exact thing that I want. And the thing is to steal some drums from any track that I want. And I actually found the plugin. And the plugin is this one. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, so don't worry about that. I'm not trying to sell you anything. But I just wanted to show you this amazing plugin and what can it do. Let's get right into it. So basically I just found this plugin by doom scrolling some TikTok, and there it was, Drumclone. I was so amazed by it. So you can basically drag any sample or any track you want and steal the drums. In this case we're gonna steal the drums of my track. And the track is called Don't Bother Me. You can find it on my YouTube channel or from my Spotify. Go and listen to it. It would mean so much to me. Just, even though you hate it, just go and listen to it. Thank you very much. And you can just take the part where is the drums. This is the easiest way. You can just drag the whole song there, but it's gonna be so much easier by doing this. You will select the part with some drums here that you wanna steal and make unique as a sample. When the sample is unique, you want to open Drumclone and click from this arrow here and make it detached. This way the plugin will stay here even though I click somewhere else. Now I can just drag the part, the drums. This tool will automatically find the part with the key. This one is the starting time where the looping starts, and this is the ending time. Now the part that you loop will automatically play in the pattern window when we push play. You can even make it snappier or more punchy by modifying the amplitude envelope. For example here, we want more amplitude towards the end. Actually, the white one is the amplitude. Can you see it will automatically make it much more punchy? And if you drag here, you can make it more snappy also. You can even add some noise. Let's add it to the beginning. This tonal signal knob will actually turn off any music besides the kick. So if we pull this all the way up, we will hear the same noises that is happening in the song. Let's try it. Now you can hear there is some weird noises in the track playing with the kick. So let's take a different part where it's actually going on a lot of stuff besides the kick. So here you can see a part where there's a lot of going on with the kick. Let's steal the drums from that part so you can actually see what the plugin can do. So let's cut a part from here. Let's make the sample unique. And now let's drag it to the Drumclone. Let's drag the starting time and ending time to the parts that we want. This is the original sound and this is the output sound. You can hear how much it took away from the sample. So this was this type of video. Please go and listen my track Don't Bother Me. I would so much appreciate it. You can find it from my YouTube channel or Spotify or any streaming services out there. Hey, thank you for watching my video, and if this was helpful, please give me a like and subscribe and leave a comment what kind of videos you want me to do next. Hey, thank you guys.